Hey loves, welcome to another hair video. I am Sonia, and please make sure you subscribe down below. As you all know, we're on a journey to 2K subscribers before the end of the year, and by subscribing, liking, sharing my video, you're helping us achieve this goal. So I'm about to show you guys how I do my sleek ponytail. First, I washed my hair, and you want to make sure there are little or no hair product on your hair because of the gel we'll be using. Another thing you want to do when making your sleek ponytail is you want to do it in sections. This makes it effortless, smooth, and without bumps because it allows the gel get into the hair properly. Now, the amount of gel you want to use depends completely on you. I use quite a good amount, so you decide how much you want to use. The gel I'm using is the Eco Styling gel. After applying the gel, make sure to brush properly. You can use a comb, you can use a brush just like I did here, just to give it a smooth finish. So at this point, you want to make sure your ponytail is really tight, really tight, but not too tight to give you a migraine. Just make sure it's firm enough and tight enough. Then I continue to section and apply my gel. I was going for an all back look, but if you would like to do a middle side curved pattern, you can go ahead and do that. So at this point, you do not want to take out the first ponytail you created. What you want to do is just add to it. And when it was tight enough, I went in with my edge control to lay down those baby hair. Then I tied it down with a scarf to help it mold properly and hopefully get it dry. At this point, it was dry enough and it was time to add my ponytail. I use the Kira detachable ponytail. I got this from a hair vendor in Nigeria. It's really soft and water friendly. Comes with 2 combs. You can also use bobby pins for extra hold. And here is the final look. I absolutely love it. She is well laid. Just look at that beauty. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.